Hello everyone, welcome back to another Nurtured Mind Matters series. On today's episode, we'll be talking about how does one endure bad situations. Some of you might be wondering, what is bad situations? Well, I define bad situations as any situations that will emotionally heighten your state of emotion. And now that we are aware of how to identify bad situations, let's look at explaining what is endurance. Endurance is defined as a person's ability to be able to accept and manage any physical and emotional discomfort. It is very helpful to know that many people experience negative and difficult situations as overwhelming or unbearable. And for some, it might cause them to find ways of coping that is very unhealthy or destructive. Many treatment methods focus on avoiding painful situations. But we know that there will be some situations and therefore some pain that will be unavoidable. Thus, the best course is learn to accept and endure it. This doesn't mean that we approve of the situation, but rather we learn to look at our environment without putting any pressure on it to change. We learn to experience our emotional state without immediately trying to adjust it. And lastly, we also learn to observe our thoughts and action patterns without trying to stop or control them. So now that we know that the key ingredients of endurance is acceptance, but more than that, it is a radical form of acceptance. We work on recognizing and accepting the problem or the situation as it is. But remember, accepting is not the same as liking or approving of something. However, learning to accept the problems that are out of our control lessens our anxiety, anger, and sadness when it comes to dealing with that situation or problem. An example of this would be, if you were to find out you did not make it to a job interview where you felt you were the best candidate, your typical thinking with regards to that would be, this is not fair. I have done everything in my power to get this position. Or believe that you were the best one there and that they cannot be doing this to you. However, acceptance on a radical scale would go like this. It is frustrating that I did not get this job. However, I accept that they felt like someone else would be a better fit for this job. And as we come to the end of today's topic, I hope that you found it very informative and that it would assist us into being able to endure bad situations. Do join us on our next episode of Learning to Deal with Rejection. From my side, thank you everyone and bye!